Evaluate the limit as x approaches 4 of x squared minus 7x plus 12 over x minus 4. Whenever you're looking at problems like this and you're thinking about, oh, let's do a limit, let's just plug it in, that's usually fine. But what's going to happen often is if you do plug it in, you're going to get something like 0 over 0, and that's what's going to happen here. So if that's the case, let's see if you can factor things out. Now, looking at the top here, you can factor that out. Two numbers that add up to -7 and multiply out to 12, positive 12, are x minus 3 and x minus 4. Now that's going to all be over x minus 4. Now why is that good news? Well, because the factors of x minus 4 cross out. Now all I have to do is find the limit as x approaches 4 of x minus 3, and it's just something as simple as you plugging in 4 minus 3 is 1, and that's your guy. So what we had here was a hole, which means when graphed, this is going to look something like this. And so at 4, we get the value of 1. Just because if we were to plug in 4, it's undefined, doesn't mean that the limit doesn't exist, and it does exist at 1.